All right, you guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be changing the oil on this 2010 BMW 335i E90 series. This is my personal car. Oil filter is located on top, makes it super easy. I don't know why anybody would pay 150 bucks to get their oil changed when you can do this whole thing for $60. This is a cheaper brand of full synthetic oil right here. I'm only going to run this for about 3,000 miles and then change it to high quality. I'm going to be doing upgrades on my car, so this is just sort of a temporary fix. You can get everything super nice, mobile castor oil for $75 for everything. Here, I just paid $60 just to get it done. So, all right, what we need today is obviously an oil pan, a little tool right here to remove the O-rings on your oil filter, 17 millimeter drive, 7 quarts of oil. This car takes 6.8, so that'll be fine. Some latex gloves to keep your hands from getting dirty. An oil filter right here. These oil filters do come with new O-rings and gaskets, so toss those bad boys on when you're done. Show you guys how to do it. But anyways, here we are. Like I said, super easy. Oil filter right there. First things first, we got to hop underneath the car and find the drain plug. Under these cars, mine's an all-wheel drive winter package, so it has a pretty solid skid plate. I'm pretty sure from watching other videos, there is a trap door underneath here that we're gonna have to open. Some cars have it, some cars lost it. We'll find out if mine has it or not. So first things first, let's jack the car up, get it on a jack stand, and find that trap door. All right, so we're at the driver's front tire here. If you go right under this side skirt, there is a little cutout here. This cutout is where you'll be jacking up your car. It should have some sort of little welded on piece, but obviously I've broken it off. So, yep, this is your best bet. All right, car's up on the stands. Go under your driver's side wheel, and you look right here. I have opened the door to my oil pan. Twist this little thing right here, and then the door pops open. That will be the 17 millimeter bolt you're gonna be taking out to drain your oil. All right, you guys, this is where the gloves come in handy. Oil is now leaking out. Don't make the mistake of dropping your bolt in the oil pan and searching for it afterwards with a magnetic tool or whatever. While you're unscrewing it, keep pressure up. And once you're on the last thread, keep pressure up, twist and pop out and hang on to it. A lot easier, a lot less messy than searching through the bucket. All right, you guys, just let that drain out till it's to a super slow, drippy drop. And then after that, I'm gonna come up here. Some people have a tool for this. It's a BMW little like lock nut thing. I think it's like 20 bucks. Me, I'm just gonna use an oil filter wrench. Same thing. Might mess up the grooves a little bit, but it's all right. Not super worried about that. All right, so next, set up a towel around your oil filter thing. Thought I had an oil filter remover. Pretty sure that's what this is. A little more brutal looking. It worked. I just needed a little bit more force. It was a little bit too tight for my hands. So easy peasy. Set up your towel around there. Loosen it. When I started loosening, I heard more oil go down to the oil pan. So I'm going to let that drain for a couple more minutes before fully taking it off, so I don't make a fat mess. All right, so got the oil filter out. There's some oil left over in here. You're going to want to wipe that up as best as you can. Don't want to leave any old remnants behind. So this guy simply just pops off like so. There is an O-ring around here, and then this little O-ring right there is what you're going to want to change. So let's do that next. All right, so got this part now. If you don't have one of these, you can just cut them off, but this always makes things go by way quicker. All right, old one's off. New ones come right here in this package. Pop it off, replace where you took them off. Bing, bada, boom. Pop the old filter onto here, like so. Pop, bang, boom. Guess let's put these O-rings on real quick. All right, new one's on. All right, new one's on there. Cool. Good to go. New oil filter, new rings. Right? So, after you have this all locked and loaded, get it as snug as you can, and then use your tool to tighten it. All right, you guys. Get your drain plug back in, get your oil filter tightened up, and then the obvious next step is to start adding your oil. About 7 quarts, I'm gonna put a little bit less than all of it. Check my oil level, and then add more if it needs it. Wow. Probably remove the metal thing fully next time, because this is a messy pour, ladies and gentlemen. Love covering my BMW with oil. All right, I'm getting there. Got about 1.5 quarts left. Leave about 1/2 quart in the big jar. Right, feels about right there. All right, you guys. So that is pretty much the basics of changing your oil. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the inside of your Idrive too, so that way it knows you got an oil change. Sweet, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Super simple, all filmed on an iPhone. Sorry about the light quality. Yeah, don't spend 150 bucks on an oil change when you can do it in like less than an hour for 60 bucks. All right, thanks guys. For easy disposal of the old oil, just obviously pour it in the pan to your bottles. Makes it easier to get rid of.